Imagine a world where computers can solve complex problems in seconds, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance. This is the promise of quantum computing, and at the forefront of this technological revolution is Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker symbol RGTI. In this video, we'll explore the intricacies of RGTI stock, providing you with a comprehensive analysis to inform your investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing, a pioneer in the quantum computing industry. We'll analyze its stock performance, financial health, and future prospects to help you understand whether RGTI deserves a spot in your investment portfolio. Founded in 2013, Rigetti Computing specializes in building quantum computers and superconducting quantum processors. Their mission is to make quantum computing accessible to solve real-world problems across various sectors, including pharmaceuticals, finance, and artificial intelligence. As of March 17, 2025, RGTI is trading at $11.22 per share. Over the past year, RGTI has experienced significant volatility. In January 2025, the stock surged dramatically, but later faced a sharp decline of 64%, attributed to industry comments on the long-term utility timeline of quantum computing. Despite these fluctuations, the stock has shown resilience, reflecting investor optimism about the potential of quantum technologies. In the fourth quarter of 2024, Rigetti reported revenues of $2.27 million, down from $3.38 million in the same period the previous year. The operating loss for the quarter was $18.5 million. Despite these challenges, the company secured sales of its Novera quantum processing unit and is on track to develop a 36-qubit processor by mid-2025. Analysts have mixed views on RGTI. Some highlight the company's scalable, multi-chip processor approach as a competitive advantage. However, concerns about intense competition from tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft persist. Additionally, advancements in quantum computing from China and Europe add to the competitive landscape. Investing in RGTI presents both significant opportunities and risks. The quantum computing market holds immense potential, with applications that could transform various industries. However, the technology is still in its nascent stages, and widespread commercial viability may take years to achieve. Investors should be prepared for volatility and consider the long-term horizon when evaluating RGTI. Rigetti Computing stands at the cutting edge of a technological revolution. While the path to quantum supremacy is fraught with challenges, the potential rewards are substantial. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and align your investment choices with your financial goals and risk tolerance.